Guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally can speak. Elias, the traveler. I'm exhausted. I've been traveling for about an hour, but I'm exhausted because I had a long work day, and I just made it to a new city in Taiwan called Taichung. Just about an hour from Kaohsiung on high-speed rail. And the first place I arrived is this place here, which is the Fengjia Night Market. Butchering that name, but Fengjia Night Market. It's the night market here in Taichung. It's my first time here in the city, so I'm just walking around, guys. I literally just got off the taxi, and actually my accommodation is like 10 minutes away, so I figured I might as well just come straight to the night market, check it out, see what's going on here, check out the vibes.
万拿2个月的韩式料理不错啊。花糕2斤5块啊。就买了，谁让你买的？啊？就买冬瓜。冬瓜。
Crab? Fish? I'll do one salt pepper.
150.
会吗？下班再免啊。
谢谢。OK， 谢谢，拜。
有那个枕头的。
哎，有不灵？
你要玩哪一边
Thank you.
Thank
you. One get 100. So different city, guys, slightly different pace, so I figured why not try something different for the weekend, just to kind of, you know, see other parts of the beautiful island of Taiwan, right? So let's check it out. They got a lot of little, I mean, the night markets, honestly, guys, they're pretty much the same all over. I mean, a lot of seafood, a lot of meat, a lot of grilled stuff. I just picked up some, looks like crab meat or fish of some sort, so I think it's crab, but I got some crab meat. Let me try that out. I'm just walking around the area. Sorry, the video is a bit shaky because it is what it is. Oh, this is pretty cool. But so far, guys, first impression is it's a typical, nice, beautiful, busy part of Taiwan. A lot of people here, a lot of energy, a lot of excitement in the area. Nice things to see walking around, like as you can see. A lot of nice things to see walking around, as you can see. A lot of people. It's a Friday night. Very busy here. A lot of action, but I'm gonna walk back down this street because I don't want to go too far from where I have to stay. I'm gonna check out my accommodation, which is not far. Actually, was looking for like a bar, but I don't see too many bars around here, to be quite honest. Not a lot of bars here. It's just kind of like restaurants, a bunch of restaurants. So I don't know where I'm gonna find. I think the bars that were recommended were like kind of far away, and it's pretty late. I'm actually really tired, so not sure that I'm gonna go that far into a bar right now. But if I see one on the way, I might stop by. So we'll see. So far, nothing though. Supposed to be a hookah lounge around here, actually. Let me check. See where that is. There is a hookah lounge. I might check that out. La Va Shisha Lounge. La Shisha Lounge. So there's a shisha lounge somewhere here. Check it out. But it's actually about to rain now, of course. Or wouldn't it be raining?